What's up, your friend?
Yo, we have your friend. We have kind of like a fail or pecan situation. So me and him, I'm agreeing with because I did do this, and he has it on clip, so I get it. So me and him both agree. I'm not trying to argue it. I did and didn't. So basically, I was running from him, right?
Mm-hmm.
And me and my friend were in a Discord, and
Mm-hmm.
so me and him, I said I was getting shot at, whatever, and I
Mm-hmm.
said I was near Strawberry Ave or whatever. So then he came, and then he killed the cop talking to him. So like it's a fail or peace kind of situation. I don't know what you want to do because I'm not the I
Ow,
don't
ow,
really know.
ow, ow. Let's get on the side. First of all, I want to save myself.
Say that again.
Okay, Cairo, wait. Let him talk first because he
All right.
called me here, okay? And then you can talk.
Okay. Yep.
So, Sandy,
So
what's up?
basically, what happened is I seen this Subaru speeding down the road. I think it was Strawberry. I pursued it. There was no priority active, but in radio I could hear that something was going on. But I heard that this vehicle was involved. So basically, he 1050'd. His vehicle stopped working. I pulled in front of him. I pointed my gun. He came up and he hit me. Therefore, I whipped out my baton and I hit him. Basically, he was down uh, right behind me, like on the sidewalk. And as he was down, I could hear him. I thought he was in radio, but then I realized you can't be in radio if you're dead. But I heard him talk saying, "Hey, he's right there. He's right there. We're right behind you. Right behind you." And there was an orange Dodge Demon that pulled by and then looped back around. And then basically he just lit me up.
Yeah. So it's kind of a fail or peace.
And I asked in radio if there was an active prio before that happened because I basically cuffed him and I was searching him. And I was told that there was a prio, but it just wasn't activated yet. Someone did claim it, but.
It wasn't. It
Um,
wasn't actually active.
And so it's ID 7 and there's ID 3. ID 3 left the scene.
okay. Um, you wanna tell your friend to come here, Cairo?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm
Go
telling him right.
ahead. Go ahead. Okay, first thing,
Oh, he just died.
uh, were they on radio? Because if you die, radio actually turns off automatically. They
Mhm.
might be
Yeah,
on
he admitted it
Discord.
was Discord.
Yep,
Yeah.
they might be on
I could
Discord
hear him
then.
in game talking.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they might be on Discord.
Yeah. I'm not trying to ignore it and get myself even in more trouble for lying to us. So it did happen. That what basically what he said. That's exactly what happened. If you want, can you TP my friend down here because I think he died.
ID?
Three?
3.
Yeah, three. There are. There it is.
Okay.
Um, Hello.
Were you in
How's it
RP,
going?
ID3? Were you in RP?
Yeah, but it could wait, I guess. Um,
No, no,
okay.
Cairo. Why did you
Mhm.
ask me
Okay.
to summon him if he was in RP? You knew he was on
Uh,
Discord with you.
oh
Why
no,
did
I
you
didn't know.
say
I
that?
thought he was dead.
No, I'm sorry,
So I
Well,
Sandy.
thought
Go
the
ahead
RP
and
was
up.
over.
I was
One
dead
sec.
with law enforcement officer.
No, go ahead and RP with them. Go ahead. You wanna tell me the
I
postal?
thought he was dead.
I don't know how to.
Cairo, stop. Tell me the postal now.
I honestly do not remember the post. I'm sorry. I
Okay, do
think
you
I might
remember
be
any
able to.
ID or any name that was talking to you?
I just know there was a lot of fucking cops near me. There's probably like 3 units near me. 4. That's all I can remember.
Cairo, I'm gonna put a warning for that. Like, seriously, why would you ask me to summon someone who is in RP? I understand he was dead, but someone was there actually to taking care of him. Why would you do that?
I thought he. I didn't know what the guy meant. I told him to come down, but he said he was dead. I didn't know if it what is it called. I didn't know if the RP was over yet.
Next time, please confirm before you ask someone to summon someone.
Okay.
Yes,
Silent,
ma'am,
I'm
officer.
gonna search the people. Can you tell me where you were? Grove Street, anywhere. Can you give me any sign?
I don't know if this officer was a part of it or not. Was he? Might have been.
I'm gonna take you back. So give me the sign. Where were you?
I don't remember. I was like down the road. I think it was past the bridge. I don't remember.
Past the bridge.
Something like that. I can't remember.
Hey, that man shot my friend. This man shot my friend earlier.
Hey, I was doing I was very wanted. That's all I could say. I'm talking like
You
wanted,
shot him
wanted.
dead.
Hey, listen, bro. If I don't want no one coming after, bro. I wasn't going back to that hunky junk, what you call prison. I
Okay,
wasn't going back.
can you stop talking? Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Was he the person upping with you?
I don't. He wasn't there, but he was a part of the role play. I don't think he was responding to when I was dead, but he was in the role play.
I see. Okay. You can talk to him later then. Cairo, I'm telling you this now. Like it was really, really rude. I do not interrupt people's RP, and you asking me summoning people in the middle of their RP, I did not like that. Do you
Yeah, sorry, I
understand
didn't
that?
know he was. Yeah, I didn't know he was finished with it. I just knew he was dead.
That was your responsibility to ask him if he's in RP or not his. That was your responsibility to ask him. Sandy, what's up?
What's up?
So go ahead. You wanna explain to him why you're reporting him?
So basically, I'm reporting you because you and your friend basically got you here by talking to you while he was dead, and then you showed up here and just lit me up.
Yeah,
And there was a
that
priority
was
going
my
on.
bad.
That's
I
why I
didn't see
didn't
the
really call
prio.
myself for backup, and I
Yeah,
didn't
no.
expect to just get lit up for no reason.
Yeah, no. He called
You
me
know,
about it.
we got into a thing, and
Okay.
you know, if I died, I died, but I took him down, and then I was doing my job, and then
Yeah,
yeah, you guys are talking, and you just pull up and RDM me for no reason.
that was
You
totally my
had
fault.
you didn't role play with me before. I had no idea who you were. You're just his buddy with him, and
I
Okay.
apologize.
you just
That was
decided
my
to shoot
fault.
me.
No. One sec. I'll tell you one thing, Sandy. You can't report him for actually killing you when Prio was active, when priority was not set on the screen. I'm telling you
Hmm.
now. You can't report someone. He's a civ. He wouldn't know. The only reason you can report him is, was he on radio? That's the thing on asking. Were
We
you on
were.
cop radio?
I wasn't on cop radio. No.
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 Was that the only thing you are reporting him for? For shitting
That
on
yeah, that's
Pryor?
basically it.
Then I'm sorry. Pryor was not active. You can report someone. He wouldn't know because he's a civ. And yep,
No, I
you can report.
understand. It was
But
just basically, you know, for just rolling up and, you know, shooting me, and you guys were using, you know, you were talking while he was dead. That
Yeah.
kind of bothered me. As soon as I
Yep.
heard him talking while he was dead, I assumed you were in radio, but you know, you can't be in radio when you die, you lose it.
Yep.
So, but
Yeah, I
that was the main
apologize for
thing.
that.
As long as you learn from this, and
Yep.
Mhm.
that's all I care about.
Yeah, I apologize.
You know, there's lots of other ways you can roleplay, and shooting and 1080s is, you know, not always the funnest one, but it can be.
Yeah, for the cop.
yeah, I'll tell you, that was metagaming. Talking on Discord, giving info after you being dead. Yeah, that was metagaming. That was wrong, guys.
Yep.
Yeah.
So,
Can't take away what happened.
yep, just say sorry to this cop. Your friend over here already said sorry for that, so you go ahead, Skyro.
Yeah, Sandy, man, that's my bad, you know.
I understand, you know,
Yeah.
just learn from it.
Yeah.
Okay, if you guys wanna keep upping, go ahead and keep upping. I have no problem with that. Otherwise, you
Thank
Okay,
can
you.
well,
leave.
All right.
You have a good
Thank
day,
you.
man.
Thank
basically
you,
we're
friend.
gonna 22 the
Have a good
situation.
day, guys. Bye.
All right. Sorry for that.
No problem, Kyro. That's
What?
no problem.
You have no guns? Why don't you have any
Uh,
guns?
let me bring my guns. Okay, I have guns.
There we go,
Now,
it works.
okay.
Hello, welcome to San Andreas Courthouse.
We
We're
just get
trying to
shot
get
at.
assassinated in here.
Oh yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I was gonna do that. Oh nope. We're
That's
getting shot.
shots. Those are
What the
shots.
fuck?
Are we getting shot at?
Is this a choo train?
No, we're setting up the arc in the
Okay.
proper position.
For some reason, everyone is so low for me. Yeah, you have plastic hair, ma'am. Did you get it from What the fuck is U.S. Marshal doing here? The fuck?
Man, do I need to scan myself to the bar? I have a weapon.
Don't worry about it. I see your badge.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna go get the big guns.
Why I have it. I'm not about to have anybody get shot in the court of law.
Oh yeah, the court of law, nice.
You got Judge Judy in there.
Oh, they're arguing who's the parent.
The judge is on his way. He's late.
Oh, the judge is already there.
Oh no, he's
She's
not.
dead. She's dead. Welcome. Go inside, my lady. Go inside. You're not allowed to have any
Nice
guns,
rifle.
pistols, knives, any kind of weaponry inside the courtroom. Even if you're a
Oh, are you the
law enforcement
judge, sir?
officer.
I am in fact.
All right, come on.
Go ahead, Judge. We're the security detail today.
Hey, judge, you're a bit bloody. Want to clean yourself real fast?
Yeah, the rapid is going inside the hole.
I don't know. Hold up. Hey,
Hey,
No, you're
what's up,
my lawyer.
shorty?
Where's her lawyer?
I need a lawyer.
You have one. You
Sir.
broke.
Yeah, you ain't paying no child support
Child
for me to
support
get
has
a lawyer.
nothing to do with your lawyer, and it's not my kid.
I don't have any money. It is your kid. I did the paternity
It's
testing
not my
thing.
kid.
I did the parent test. I
All
pissed on a
rise.
stick and I showed you. It's
All
your kid.
rise.
It's not my kid.
All
It
rise
is
for
your
the
kid.
Honorable Judge Gobble Wobble.
Excuse me?
Hey, Judge Wobble 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 Wobble. This man's a hoe.
All rise for the Honorable Judge Gobble Wobble.
Gobble Wobble something else.
I don't know why he won't walk in. Hold on.
He's right there, isn't
He
he?
walked in.
He's
You
right
need to put
there.
your
You may
There,
be seated.
straight away.
I'm sorry, sir. I need glasses.
As I was saying, does the prosecution have any
Put
opening
it on
remarks?
shouting. Off.
I don't have nothing to say.
You have nothing to say, ma'am?
No, other than this guy's a selfish prick.
Okay. The defense, would you care to make an opening statement and outline your case?
Yeah. So all I know is a couple months ago I got drunk, and things happen, and got dang on now she's telling me I owe her some child support or whatever, and I'm not the father. I know that for a fact. And then she talking about some I abused her. I've only seen her once in my lifetime, so I have no idea what she's talking about, and she's apparently suing me for child support or whatever.
Right. The prosecution, if you would care to make your claim to outline your case, please.
I mean, we did it. We had a kid, and I swear it's his kid. And he owns me child support, and he slapped
That's
me
not
a
my
few
kid,
times.
woman.
It is your kid.
It is not my kid.
Order.
It is.
Order. If you continue to outspeak, if you continue to interrupt her or interrupt each other for that matter, I will hold you in contempt of court for 10 days.
Objection!
Bailiff,
Shut the fuck
escort
up. We're
the
talking.
deputy out of the office, please.
Deputy?
Excuse me, out of the courtroom.
Okay, yeah.
Marshal, whatever you are. Bailiff, could you escort the out of the courtroom, please?
Yeah, which one?
Bailiff,
about
could you do
you,
your
stupid.
job and escort the marshal outside? I guess the
Huh.
bailiff's gonna sit there and
please.
look pretty. Could somebody escort the marshal outside, please?
Please leave this courtroom, sir.
Hold him in contempt of court.
I'm having
Contempt-
technical issues. Hold on.
Contempt
Okay.
you did.
I'm back. I
Hold him
had
in that
technical
thing.
issues.
Damn.
Marshal, are you going to sit? Marshal, are you going to sit quiet?
Sir,
Yeah.
Now you got a right.
go
Okay.
and
Sir,
take-
sit down for the Honorable Judge Gobble Wobble, please.
Gobble, excuse me, gobble wobble?
Sit down.
Okay. I have never in my 20 years of being a judge in this courtroom seen such unprofessionalism from the officers.
Understood, gobble wobble.
Thank you, bailiff. Prosecution, you may continue with outlining your case.
So, I'm suing him for a lot of money because he owes me a lot of money
Sorry,
for
Gobble
this kid
Wobble.
that's inside of me, and I'm trying to get my money. He abused me. That's why I'm here.
Just
So-
escort him out.
So you're still pregnant. You haven't given birth to the child yet?
Yeah.
So why
Okay.
am I here?
One moment, sir.
Because you
What am I
abusive.
being sued for?
You
I did not
abusive. You
abuse
drug
you.
dealing, slanging bitch.
Man, I'm going to say it again one final time. If you speak out again, out of turn, you will be held in contempt of court. Anyways, have any criminal charges been filed against the defendant, ma'am? Have you had any official work that I can look at?
Say again?
Speaking to the prosecution, you said that he abused you. Do you have any official record?
I
of
mean, I
that?
got bruises
You have bruises. Do you
and
have
hospital records.
You have hospital records. May I see those records?
Yeah, they're right here in front of me in this file.
Bailiff, could you bring me the hospital records, please? Thank you, sir. And for what exact monetary amount are you suing the defendant here there for?
Sir, sit behind, please.
$100,000. Emotional distress and
$100,000
stuff.
in stress, you said?
Emotional distress.
You're suing him from for $100,000 in emotional distress. And do you have any actual paternity tests or any official record that that is in fact his child?
Yes, I do.
You do in fact. Can I see that as
Yeah,
well, please?
they should be in that file.
They should be? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to ask that you all remain silent for a moment while I look through these records. Give me 1 moment.
I got you, Mr. Gobble Wobble.
Gabagool. I don't know where everyone got gobble wobble from, but
Cock-a-doodle doo. Thanksgiving coming early soon.
Shut up, boy.
Hey, if a female comes through here, then I'll search him, but you get to check all the guys.
Officers in the same uniform as us.
Wow, that's sexual harassment if I've ever heard of it. Hey, there's a guy come through here that looks very interesting.
Judge Gobble Wobble. Is everything okay?
I'm looking over the paperwork. If you would give me a moment, bailiff.
What if I think it looks cool?
Hey, what's up, chat?
Oh my god. Can you just check him for weapons, for Christ's sake? Wow.
I need you to take your mask off.
It's the pistol Mark II.
If the prosecution may look at the big magical box in the sky.
Yeah, my bad. I might have messed something up.
It's not ceramic. It is not ceramic here.
And what do I have to do with that, bailiff?
Yeah, no, it doesn't count here.
I'm the judge. You're the go do your job.
Cool, but it's a good thing for our sake.
Okay. So with the current evidence that's been presented in front of me, obviously the prosecution is pregnant. I see that there's a positive test, but there is in fact no substantial evidence to say that the defendant there is in fact.
So I can leave, right?
Sir, I'm going to please do not speak out of turn.
You back
You'll
up
be
there for me,
released when I
please.
say so. As I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, there is no substantial evidence to uphold this case, so I'm going to ask at this time that the trial be adjourned. Ma'am, until you can present further evidence, I'm going to dismiss this case as there is not enough evidence to, claim your $100,000.
Get out of the shop. Hey, Judge.
Yes, ma'am.
I still want to file for abuse, emotional distress, and hospital bills. Unpaid hospital bills.
Yes, ma'am. Well, we're going to have to make an official record of that with the police department. Obviously, that's a criminal matter now.
Man, what about if he's a gangbanger and sold over 100,000 drugs?
Shut up, woman!
Ma'am, I don't know that. You have no evidence to say that. So at this point in time, this case is adjourned. It's dismissed. Have a great rest of your
Officer,
day.
wait, you can
I'm
Google
out.
Leroy
I'll see y'all later.
Lewis.
I'm gonna quick walk out the door. Bye.
No, you abusive bitch, come back here.
Away from me.
Giving her
I hate
documents
you.
back. Bailiff,
I hate you.
or not.
Back up.
One of you give the documents back to the lady. All of this.
Are you here for the next case? All right, come on.
Thank you.
This is going to be the bomb! This is going to
Sir,
be the
we have a
bomb!
bomb case.
I'm really sorry,
This is
guys.
going
He's
to
new
be
to
the
America. He's
Have,
not really fully quite.
have them sit down. I'll be right back.
Sit down. If this is a bomb case, oh wait, the next case is sexual. Okay, never mind.
How you doing, feller?
You have to wait.
You should try to get the mask like Habibi.
I would sit down, but I got bad knees.
Oh man, these are comfortable bench.
How do you sit? What's the command again? What's the command? Him.
No,
Oh
no,
my God.
no. I'm not doing
Ma'am,
anything.
what
Come
you
on.
doing here, ma'am?
Wow, he just ran out now.
Let's-
Yeah, was this? It was this federal marshal Lemmy.
Mhm.
He was like totally harassing us.
Let's arrest him then.
I'm not going to jail. Don't
Hey.
you dare.
Not
Let me-
get out my
Yellow
car.
car.
Oh
Sir,
my god!
put your gun
He
down.
slapped me.
We could talk about this.
I did
real
not
quick.
hit you, woman.
Sir, put
You
your gun
did.
down.
Nah, get out, bro. You just broke my
Excuse me?
window.
Okay. Well,
Put
then
your
I'll get
gun
my-
down.
Slap me.
Nah, it didn't hold that. What are you doing?
Sir, put your gun down, I
Nah, come
said.
here. Yeah. Arrest this
Oh.
trip.
TV man. It's a TV man.
Fuck, you dumb
Yeah.
bitch!
I don't know why the lawyer's arresting you.
You
The fuck is wrong with you, whore?
Sir, you were harassing our
Fuck you,
cops.
gang banging bitch.
You were harassing our cops.
Call me.
Nobody,
Drug
bitch.
dealing, slanging bitch.
Nah, bro. Let her go. It's all right. It's all right. Let her go. She'll be
What's
fine.
wrong with
You're gonna pay me for my window. Matter of fact,
Chase me one more time.
I have a
and I'll
child.
put you in your dumbass compartment.
In your stomach.
Hey, you still actually
Give me an
harassing our
abortion,
cops,
you
and you think
asshole.
you can get away with that? No, that's not how it
Get
works.
away with what? What the fuck did I do?
So,
you dumb whore?
let me arrest you and see how that goes. Let me arrest you.
Why would you arrest me then? For what?
Fuck
For
you,
what?
drug
Because
For
our
what?
Hey,
officers
I'd
are
like to
filing
I want to
file
file
a
a
report.
complaint. He's drug
I'd
dealing.
like to file a report.
He's
One
drug
second.
dealing.
She's,
Ma'am, you're gonna get tased.
I need evidence
I'm
for
not
court. I'd like to file a
Ow!
report.
Ow!
Oh, Lord.
See what happens to dumb bitches?
Like you.
Anyway,
Here's the AI.
I'd like to file a report.
Hey, you drug dealer,
Yeah,
help me.
so would I.
Hey, I think you might need to deal with her. She got ran over.
Anyone
Yeah,
wants
beat
to
her up. I
tase
don't-
the martial law here, you can
Fuck
do.
you.
Keep on
Oh
running.
my god, my fist. My arm.
You're gonna get tased.
Hey, next case. Come on, we're going to the next case. We're going to the next case.
Oh, my God.
Oh my god.
Oh, my God.
Stay down. Ow, ow.
you want me to go up to the front?
No, you can sit down. I got it.
Move. Sit down.
Alright.
You
You're
go
in
up
my
there on your
shoes.
stand, stupid.
I already got that camera set up. I gotta
Well,
get
go
this
that
one set
way.
up.
I don't care if you go that way. I don't care what
No,
you do. Go
no,
that way.
move.
Go that way. I don't care. Go
Sit
that
down.
way. No, you go
You're in
that
my.
way.
This is
No,
You guys
I don't
sit
care
down.
if I'm in
I
the
thought it
shot.
was
Go that
gobble
way.
wobble.
Tell this kid to move.
All rise for
Shut up.
Honorable
I'm the
Judge
cameraman.
How about
I
that?
don't care if you're the
care who
cameraman.
you
Go that
are.
way.
You
Shut
just
up.
sit down.
BB,
Tell me your name.
Shut up.
The
Bro, I'm
medium
about to
was.
slap you
You may be
disrespectfully.
seated.
Go that way.
for Afghan.
Alright, you may begin.
You may be seated.
What day?
Thank you. You may be seated. Take a seat, please.
I'm working on it.
What did you do, man?
There we go. I'm on my stand.
Could the gentleman saluting me please sit down as well? Thank you. And the LSPD officer who's still standing, could you please sit down?
For real, man. So disrespectful.
I didn't ask you to climb over the table. I asked you to sit, and she's going to run out of the courtroom.
Dumb
Grandpa,
whore.
you should not be
You should
talking
hold her
right
in
now.
contempt.
Could the jury member in the turban also please sit down? I'm apparently having.
Hey, Grandpa, do you want boom?
Sit down, hot job guy.
Shut up and sit down.
Guy with the thing on his head. Sit down. You're in my
Not
shot.
me.
Learning controls.
Take
Hold
your
on.
mask
slash,
off.
Is it slash E sit what?
Yes.
Sir,
Sit
can
chair.
you please sit?
Yeah, sit away from me, please.
Grandpa,
6
please do not
feet.
talk
Hey,
like
shooting.
that,
Thank you,
I
sir.
hear some people busting outside.
What?
I'm not your grandfather.
Your father?
Good
Not
I am
morning,
not.
everyone. Please be
Neither.
silent. Or we'll
Why?
call contempt of court. Good
You look
morning,
like
everyone.
gray hair. You do not have a BB.
Please let
BB
the
hair.
Bailiff, could you
judge
remove him
talk.
from the
But
courtroom,
you
please?
have
The man in the
bomb?
red turban.
Shut the fuck up before I slip my dick in your
Okay.
mouth.
That's hot. That is
Sir,
hot.
you need to leave now. Otherwise, I have to detain you for actually doing that.
BB do nothing wrong. Just boom.
Please leave this court now.
I leave?
Yes.
This is a public
Wait.
court, but you should
Just
probably
pub-
just quiet down and take a seat, man.
Judge
You
is
know?
actually claiming for contempt of court, so yes, he have to leave. Sir,
Buddy, if you start
Bitch.
talking
Man,
during this
fuck,
case, I will
pussy.
physically remove you from the courthouse.
Good morning, everyone. All the paperwork has been filed. All this has been prepared.
How?
If the,
It's been like 2 seconds since the incident.
I don't know. I have the paperwork on my desk. Stop speaking out of turn. If the prosecution would care to make an opening statement. That would be you sitting there, the prosecution.
Well, this gentleman over here that I'm pointing at, he has been continually harassing female officers within the court as well as the department. And the harassment has come to such a, extreme that we had to bring him to court today.
I understand, ma'am. Will you be representing yourself? Do you not have a union representative or a lawyer to speak on your behalf?
At this time, I do not have a representative.
Yes, ma'am. You may be seated. Would the defense care to make an opening remark?
Hi, my name's Dom from North Carolina. I like chili and football.
Okay, sir. An opening
I like
remark,
this guy.
a remark regarding the case.
Ah,
not
sorry,
your
my bad.
interests.
Yep. I will also be representing myself, depending on my law enforcement degree.
So you're defending yourself as well. You don't have a representative with you either.
Did you just say either?
Either, excuse me. I apologize.
Attaboy. Yes, either.
Yo, partner.
Could you answer the
So they
question,
have-
sir?
I did. I said I won't be having one.
Thank
Represent
you.
myself.
Do you have any actual opening remark regarding the case?
Your partner.
Trump 2024.
Sir, if you speak out of turn again and, say something
Some
like that
people
again,
busting
I will hold you
outside. I
in
don't know
contempt
if
of
y'all
this
want to go
court.
check that out.
All right.
Could
Well, I'm
somebody
seated.
please deal with the shots that are going on
All
outside?
right,
It's
now I get
extremely
full
distracting.
shot.
It's
You want
just
me to do it? I
another.
can do it.
No.
It's just another disaster.
No. Anyways, prosecution, if you could submit your first evidence first piece of evidence, excuse me, for review.
Okay. First, I would like to call a witness to the stand.
And who might that be?
That would be Supervisor Tang. But she just ran outside. I think she's dealing with those gunshots.
I think she might have just died. I heard some screaming.
Let's hope so.
Okay.
Let's hope so.
Well,
There was a
while
lot of
we
screaming.
wait for I don't know why the officer ran back outside if he's in the middle of a court session, but that's between the officer and you. Do you have any further evidence that you can submit while we wait for that supervisor to return?
Well, I have my body cam footage as well as the footage from the courthouse, which shows this gentleman here approaching us and propositioning us and saying,
asking a question.
That's one way of putting it, sir.
Okay.
That's one way of putting
You
it,
may be
sure.
seated, sir. Speak out of turn again.
Where
I
did
will
your
hold you in
vest go?
contempt of court for 10 days.
I said just do it.
Bailiff, could you, the bailiff standing in the center, the female, would you mind trying to locate where the supervisor is so we can be called to the stand, please, and have him stay in the courtroom?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bailiff, could you bring forward the copy of the evidence, the body cam footage from the...
Where's Chris Judy?
Ma'am, are you an
Yeah.
officer?
Yes, I am, and
I mean, are you an officer attached to the security detail for the courthouse?
Yes. The thing is, I've been sent to call Chris Judy. Actually, where is Chris Judy? I'm Bill.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Is Chris Judy there? Can you hear me? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, just stand over here and prevent anyone from. No. You're a security detail now. Have your gun. Just stay over there. Anyone comes in, takes their weapons. No matter.
Gonna be a RAS 4 Spike. Stone location 140.
Can I get a supervisor named Chris Judy in the code? He's been asked to present here by judge.
You get that have
Need
any
to advise
pistols
I'm
on you?
currently
I have a good
in
one
a
back.
Surrender your firearm if you're not.
Info. I'm gonna let judge know about it.
Defense, hearing, obviously, watching this video, do you have any remarks?
I'm at 140 if that's
now
what you're
seeing
asking.
The video that's been played, the body cam footage.
I would like to reference my exact remark, if that would be appropriate.
You may.
I approached the three females. I approached the three females.
I'm gonna ask that you stand by your podium.
I'm just trying to make sure everyone could hear me.
over there.
Anyways,
I got it on tape. Don't worry.
I walked up to the three females and I asked if they would like to be in a porno with me. And I described this porno as smothering each other in butter and sliding across the floor like penguins to some rave music and lights.
You know, I would watch that.
And do you have any regard?
Sounds romantic.
Do I have any regard to what?
Excuse me, I had to take a breather. Do you have any actual regard to defend? Maybe say something that, along the lines of, that's not what I meant. Actually try to defend yourself, or are you just stating the obvious here?
I mean, you didn't make me take an oath at the beginning of this, so I don't know if God would be mad at me if I lied, because,
Well, unfortunately, the bailiff that's been hired is incompetent, apparently, so I don't know of the current proceedings.
So, Like I did say it, although it was meant as a joke. Obviously stated by the remark, just sounding completely fucking ridiculous, smothering each other in butter and sliding around the floor like penguins to some rave music.
But you understand with
I understand. No, I let me stop you there. Yeah, I understand. Get it. I just didn't think she was gonna take it as hard as she did. I forgot that it was 2021, if you will.
Okay, well, yeah, well,
Snowflake,
you understand
yeah.
that obviously with sexual harassment being so
Yeah,
rampant that that's not
get
a
it.
that's not a light remark.
I get it, and I know why I'm here. I get the whole
Okay,
deal.
you may be seated once more.
Alrighty. Do I have to have cuffs on? Why do I have cuffs
I
on?
don't think he should have cuffs on.
Because you are a sex offender.
Sit
Shut
down.
up.
Okay.
You used your weapons outside. Sit down.
I didn't use shit outside. What?
Sit down.
If
You did try, sir. I was there.
I'm
Can I
not.
get a kiss?
You tased me.
Sit
I
down,
didn't.
sir.
I didn't
And stay silent.
deploy my taser.
Oh, that is such bullshit.
You
Prosecution,
might get
while we wait for
tried.
the defendant to sit down, you may rise. Is your witness here? Is your witness
Yes, Your
prepared?
Honor. My witness is here. This is her that I'm pointing at.
Okay. Can the witness please stand and come to the
Oh,
to the
that
stand if
big
you will?
gun on there.
You got such a
Over
big
here.
gun.
Hi,
I
Your Honor.
don't
Sorry
think
for
she should
the
have that gun in this
Please
sorry
come
for the
here.
late.
Ma'am,
guys.
up,
We have
ma'am,
a
up here,
fire out
up
there,
here.
so
Please
that's
come
why
over
I'm
here.
coming late.
Please have a seat there.
Whichever side works, whatever witness stand they would like to take.
Would you like me to oath her, sir?
Absolutely, as per usual.
For the record, I
Repeat
can't hear
after
shit
me.
over here.
Just go run over there and sit next to him.
Oh, don't know what
We'll
to
say
do.
nothing
first.
but the truth. We'll say I, your name, will say nothing but the truth and only the truth.
Fuck away from me.
I.
Get out of my courtroom.
God. I won't say. I won't say anything that is not truth. I will be only say truth. Anything else?
Bailiff.
Okay, there we go. I, your name, do solemnly swear
Get off my
that I
face,
will
bitch.
administer justice without respect to persons.
Okay, I. Tang Guang. Well, so what's that?
Fuck this shit. I
Okay, I
can't
see
hear
it.
nothing. I'm going up there.
I Tang Guang do someone swear that I will
Hey, girl, where you
administer
been?
justice without
No, that's,
respect
I don't even
to
think the
persons
guy's thing on
and
charge.
do equal rights to the poor and to the rich, and that I will faithfully what faithfully and what
Nice hard hat. You got some
I don't know where the
Move this on.
Okay, that works.
Every day. Every second. I eat one night.
okay. Witness, you may be seated.
right.
Now, if you would please inform the courtroom, the ladies and gentlemen of the jury, of your current story and with everything going on with the current case.
Only the purple one.
Alright, so basically what's going on is I'm coming to listening the court due to the last situation, and I have just talking to the officer that is sit down there with the female officer down there with red hair, and also another female officer with golden hair at front door to doing the security situation, and the officer wearing the male officer actually just sexually harassed us in front 3 different other officers.
I might have it on tape.
And do you have any specific remark that you can remember? If you could state it out loud for the jury.
You mean the description of the
What
guy?
exactly did he say? If you can remember it, so that it can be put on record.
I have I have the body cam on if you would like to check it.
We've reviewed the body cam footage, but if you can't remember anything else that's been said, that's fine.
Sit down.
How is she? Okay, hold on.
You not
How is
here?
she going to say anything if she doesn't even remember what was said? That makes no sense.
I need you to be
Defendant,
quiet.
take a seat.
Got it, bud.
Okay, I have no further questions. Considering we don't have a lawyer or anyone that can actually question the witness, you may return to your seat.
Me? Or
yes, you.
All right.
Does the defense have any further remarks with all the evidence that's been presented?
I would.
Sit.
I'm just trying to get him to hear me. I'm
I
sorry.
hear you just fine from your podium.
I would like to say that that would probably be a little bit irrelevant. I mean, I guess she was there, but she doesn't even remember what was said. She just recalls being sexually harassed. Well, I understand this is a serious situation, but I mean, if she can't even recall what happened, should her saying be considered?
Well, we have to grab all bases that we can. We have to determine absolutely everything that was on, that was within that current situation that transpired. If that specific officer there doesn't remember, well, obviously we do still have it on body cam. The other, I believe it's LSPD and other troopers that were on the security detail definitely remember what you said, but unfortunately, due to the current circumstances, we're extremely short-staffed and extremely thin in terms of everyone else that was involved with that situation. So at this point, it's pretty much just between you and the LSPD officer. That's what we're working with.
Okay, got it.
Do you have any further remarks?
Home?
Fuck.
I'll knock you the fuck out on the bed.
You have something to say, bailiff?
Yes.
Can I help you?
Should I come in the witness? Should I say it from here?
Were you involved with the situation that transpired?
No, sir, but after that, when I heard that he was harassing other officers, female officers, I tried to arrest him and he started calling me a bitch. I remember that one.
My wife, you dumb fuck.
And
Okay,
I have it
just
on my
return
body
back to
cam.
your Just return back to your post, and I'll take that into
If I was
consideration.
sexually harassing
The
you,
jury's
she'd
heard
start
that.
complaining.
Prosecution, do you have any further evidence before we call for recess so the
Yes,
jury
Your
can make
Honor.
their final decision? Go ahead.
I have two further witnesses. One of them has just entered the room, and the other one is outside, Officer Mackey.
Okay. If the witness would care to stand, come to the witness stand, and the bailiff will have you take an oath, wherever that officer is. Would it be that LSPD officer there?
She.
Well,
Ma'am, you need to go on witness stand.
Are you the
witness?
witness?
I thought I never witnessed anything.
Oh.
So who was
I'll
it?
get the other one.
Prosecution has a very sloppy witness thing going on here.
They keep running in and out. I apologize, Your Honor. I don't know why they keep leaving the court.
Come
They're
on, man.
involved in the
Come on,
case.
man. Let's go.
Yes.
To leave.
My witness.
All right, have him come back to the stand.
I feel like the witness should stay in the courtroom.
From now on, I'm going to make this ruling. From now on, any further witnesses, because it's obvious that they're distancing themselves from the courtroom and they want no part of this. I'm not going to allow any further witnesses. The ones that are currently in the courtroom will stay in the courtroom, and that's the end of that. Because it's obvious that your witnesses do not want to testify for some reason, which we'll just leave it at that.
Okay, say I do. Your name? Raise your right hand. Okay, repeat after me. I do. Bailiff.
You guys care to go to the front?
I'm sorry, what?
Your name.
Jokey.
Do swear to tell the truth,
Do swear to tell the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
And nothing but the truth.
Nothing but the truth.
Good.
Witness, you may be seated.
My emotes aren't working.
Then you may stand. Please flex your U muscle so that the entire courtroom may hear you.
It's been flexed.
Thank you. Are you set on the appropriate distance, as we would
I
say?
am.
Perfect. Now, if you may, to the ladies and gentlemen of the jury, if you may please announce your statement, if you may give your recollection of the incident regarding the sexual harassment charge that the defendant is currently pending with.
So, myself and 2 other female officers were out as a security detail, and the male of the U.S. Marshals made a very provocative comment.
Can you, for the ladies and gentlemen of the jury, could you announce the comment? What exactly did he say?
I want to pull your ponytail and bun and make a porno with you guys.
Is there anything further that he said that you can recollect? Or was that what he said verbatim? Is that it?
That's what I caught of what he said.
I understand. And do you have any further recollection of any other was there any other highlight within the incident is that you would deem as should probably be announced? Is there anything further?
No.
Well, if you have nothing further, and considering we don't have a lawyer from either side to question you, you may return to your seat. Thank you. Now that the 2 witness statements have been collected and the defendant has made their remark, prosecution, do you have any further evidence that can be submitted here, or can we call for a recess so that the jury can make their final decision? Why is there a dog in my courtroom?
I have no further evidence, Your Honor.
Thank you. Can someone get the dog out of my courtroom? Anyways, at this time, I'm going to call for
Just
recess.
pick the dog up.
Jury, if you may go into the meeting room to your left to discuss your final decision. And
The jury. Come.
If you
Hurry
could
your ass.
escort the jury to the meeting room.
Come with
Everyone else,
me, you
please
come with
stay
me,
outside.
you come with
This
me,
court
you come
is
with
being held in
me.
recess until the jury
People
makes their
back there,
final
sit back
decision.
there, come with me. All you back here, come with me. Come with me.
The prosecution and the defense can
Alright,
step
guys,
outside, or they can stay in here in silence. It's up to you.
Alright, do you believe the... Actually, let's get the judge in here.
Already.
How are you the guys judge doing wouldn't today? Come in here to wait for us.
Officer, you go back outside. The jury makes the verdict. They read it out to me. I'm waiting here.
So I say he's guilty as fuck.
Have y'all made a decision if they are guilty or if the guy is guilty or innocent for sexual
I
harassment?
say guilty.
I say non-guilty because I'd love to be put in butter and slide across the floor.
Okay.
What do you say?
I say non-guilty. I want my pancakes to be thrown across the room.
Y'all, okay, you know what?
I say not guilty. I say not guilty because a U.S. Marshal and he'll whip my ass if I say guilty.
I say guilty.
No,
You guys
you're
are
just
a
doing it because you
useless
want your
jerk.
butter to be spread across that pancake.
Okay, we're gonna go in there, and we're gonna. I'm gonna give.
good.
I'm gonna give the.
Literally, all the proof is there. He
Okay,
even
come on,
admitted
guys.
to it.
Hey, go tell him he's not.
He's not guilty. Come on.
Let
Let
my
me go
man
back to
free.
them.
Let's go.
I swear to God, this is stupid.
You stupid.
Ooh, look at the
You
raspberry.
want
the
beef, Cook?
grape.
You want beef? Looking like Barney over there. I am sorry.
That's all right. You gonna get yours.
If the jury could please be seated. The lead juror please rise to announce the official verdict for the defendant.
Okay.
We, the jury, and just go on with that. Could you stand by the jury? Could you just stay over where you were sitting?
Get
I just
over
need you to
here,
stand up.
woman.
Use
I don't know why you came up to the
shout
stand.
muscle. Use your shout muscle.
Someone's busting
Okay.
outside.
What do I got to do?
Say
Just
guilty
say
or
we the
non
jury,
guilty.
and then
Just read out the verdict for the defendant.
We, the jury, believe that he's not guilty.
What?
You believe that the jury, if that's the jury's decision,
We all believe that a buttery sensation
No,
should
not
never
we
be
all.
turned down.
Not we all. I believe he's guilty.
Retrial.
I believe he is the
I will
most guilty
smack you
person
if
in
you
the
get
world.
him
Who wants
if
to
you don't
join
beat
my
him up.
butter club? Who wants to join
Slap
my
me
butter
then.
club?
Sit
Who
your
wants
ass
to
down.
join my butter club?
Sit your ass down.
Oh! Oh!
God.
Oh!
Can we ever have one court case that doesn't end?
Order.
I guess this court is
Can we get order in the court right now? Please.
Can someone help me up?
Yeah, I'm
So when's
trying.
the next case gonna be? Because I need to sue somebody.
I can't overrule the decision. The jury decided that. They have to make an appeal.
Could someone get these cuffs off me?
Shut up, man! You animal!
I
I need to
wish
sue
my
somebody.
camera.
So
I
like the
can't
next case
overrule the
available.
decision.
Hey, honey.
I don't know.
Where's the
We're-
next? Oh, okay.
We're
Hold on.
available now.
Go sit back down.
Okay, I'd like to sue somebody. Do I have the next case?
I guess. Fuck it.
Okay, appreciate it.
Oh my god.
Could you bring a jury and a prosecution?
I voted not guilty.
Oh no, I'm suing somebody. I don't need a jury.
Okay.
Doesn't need a jury if he's suing.
It's a civil matter.
Ah, okay, yeah.
He still needs a jury, but I don't think we're gonna get one.
I don't know how much you paid her, but don't worry, everyone's got their day. Don't worry. I believe in karma. You'll get yours.
What was wrong with my proposition?
I'll get yours.
Everyone agrees that a buttery sensation is great. What was wrong with your? What
Cameraman,
made
if
you
you could
say
just
no
stand
about
back
that?
over
What's
here.
wrong with
You'll
that?
get
Would you
yours.
mind
Don't worry
leaving
about it.
this
I believe in
place,
About
karma.
what?
please?
I am. Fuck
Please,
you, bitch! Don't
sir.
talk to me like that. I was proven not guilty.
This is the man
Just
you let on the
leave,
street,
sir.
Your Honor.
The jury let him on the street. I
Thank
did
you,
not.
Your Honor. I appreciate
I did
you.
not let him on the street. He is very guilty.
All right.
But
I love you
the
guys.
rest of
Have
it-
a
I
good
was the
one.
only person that thinks that guy was guilty.
Look,
I'll be
that's
seeing
the
you
Some
again.
people just want their butt slathered in butter.
I mean,
Emergency.
Oh God.
Grab my gun, grab my taser, let's head out.
Anyways,
All right. Well,
as
I'll
I
see you
was
again.
as I was saying, with the current situation, I'm going to be relieved from my
Ow.
role as a judge. Another
Sorry.
temporary judge will be found and be set in place of this case.
No. This needs to happen now. I need to sue her.
Okay, well,
She owes me
another
money.
judge is on the way. I will not be presiding as the judge.
Okay.
No more Mr. Wobblegobble?
It's Gabagool, goddammit.
I don't know. Your bailiff said gobble wobble.
Do you want me to?
Oh, someone got stabbed.
Who just got stabbed?
Goddamn emotion! I was.
Oh my god. Someone's
I
getting
don't
stabbed
think
back
this is
there.
gonna happen.
Dude, that was fucking
I need to hurry up and get this dude judge.
He said guilty in here. Not guilty. Dude, I was laughing my ass off.
You can't overrule.
Oh, my bad.
Abuse.
I won. That's right. I won. I did. I won. I won. Proven
Hey,
not guilty by the jury.
I understand jury actually did say you're not guilty, but remember, karma is a thing,
Are
Just
you
saying.
threatening me? Are you threatening me, bitch?
No, sir. I'm just saying karma is there,
S-
sir.
well then shut
So,
the fuck up, because it really sounds like a threat.
have a nice day, sir. Please leave
Yeah.
this place now.
Not done yet. I'm celebrating.
Hey, doggo, bite. Go, doggo, bite him. Oh, never mind.
Not even your dog cares.
He's not my dog, sir. I am not a canine officer.
Ah.
She
They
abused
said
me?
not guilty. If someone is ruled as guilty, judge
Just
can
because you
overrule
got
the
period blood all
decision
over you.
if if he disagrees with the jury. But if it's a non-guilty verdict, he can't do anything.
Okay, I'll do some more research and get back to you.
Because in the U.S., the law is literally, if you're deemed not guilty by a court of law, you cannot be retried if more evidence shows up. The same shit happened with O.J. Simpson.
Yeah, it's called a double jury or some shit.
Hey,
There's
hey,
some shit
hey.
like that.
Yeah.
That is
I'm ready.
different. Now, street law is also there. You never know that.
She's an abuse assist.
It's double jury or something. I can't think of the name of it.
It's a specific thing with it. I don't remember what it is either. If I knew what it was, I would tell you.
Oh, we're gonna do 3 judges.
Why is there a lady up on the phone?
Oh shit. These just spawn?
Can I have your name for the record, please? Name.
I want to sue.
Why are you in
Fuck,
tough, you
get out of my
hillbilly?
courtroom. Get out. Get out.
Why is everyone invisible?
It's a Jimotella Harper, Jimmy for shorts.
Why am I invisible?
Stay the fuck out of the courtroom. I'm trying to do something. Jesus. I apologize for the inconvenience. State your name once more for me.
It's a Jimotha Harps.
Jimatha Harps? Harper?
Harper, yeah.
Harper. Okay, if you'd
But,
repeat after me.
Some people call me Jimmy.
Okay, well, we have to go by your full name. So if you'd repeat after me. I, Jimatha Harper,
I, Jimotha Harper,
swear by Almighty God
swear by mighty God
that the evidence I shall give will be the truth, and nothing but the truth.
the evidence I give will be the truth, the whole truth, and something else.
And nothing but the truth.
And nothing but the truth.
Okay, thank you. You may rest your hand. Put your hand down.
Okay, thank you. You may wash your hand. Put your hand down.
You don't have to repeat after that. It's the end of the oath.
Man,
Just
you've
put your
always
hand
been a
down.
lawyer.
Don't have to repeat after that. It's the end of the oath.
Ma'am.
Yo, great
Ma'am.
dude. You always got a lawyer.
Stop repeating me. Put your hand down.
Stop repeating me. Put your hand down.
You know what? That's
Oh, we're done? Oh.
yes, ma'am. We were done about 100 words ago.
My bad.
If you may
sir.
stand.
If you may stand.
If the prosecution could stand, please.
What's poppin'?
Jesus is popping. Put your left hand on the Bible, hold your right hand up.
Jesus is popping. He got murked.
Thank you. All right, if I could have your name for the record, please.
Leroy Jenkins.
Leroy Jenkins. Now repeat after me. I, Leroy Jenkins,
I, Leroy Jenkins,
swear that the evidence that I shall give
swear that the evidence that I shall give
will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help me God.
will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Okay.
Thank you. You may be seated. I ask that everyone in the courtroom please take a seat while we await for the judge to show up.
Are you
The
sitting
gentleman
on
over
the
there to my
armrest?
left could please sit down. Thank you. There we go.
At least I got someone.
What about purple hair? She don't got to sit. Oh, never mind.
So,
We're all waiting on you, sir.
What's the issue?
I'm going through the emotes. I have to just type
nothing.
What's an emote?
Oh, okay. Purple's a nice color.
Just do that. That works easier.
I
Have you ever
know,
considered joining the ballers?
Stop recruiting for your damn game.
That is
Please
interesting.
remain silent. It doesn't matter.
Sir, I'm gonna ask you not to speak of that in the courtroom, please. Just in
Well,
your
I
defense.
can't
Hey,
do that.
cowboy, get out.
I would like a shoe.
Okay, you can do that outside. Get out.
How do I do it?
Okay, talk to the person outside. Get out.
We can talk after
Please remain
cold
seated.
case.
Please remain seated and remain silent.
I bet.
I need your names.
Leroy.
Last name? I'll just do a last name.
Shut up, woman.
Just Judge White.
Drop all your charges.
Jackson. Fuck.
Judge Jackson and Judge what? What's your name, Andy?
I don't got no
Caitlin.
Caitlin. So Honorable Judge Caitlin and Judge Jackson.
No, do Judge Storms.
Or yeah, the last name would be better. So Storms and Jackson. Okay.
No,
Are you
no,
both,
no, no,
Are
no.
you both? Oh my
Yeah,
god.
yeah.
Are you both ready?
Mrs. and Miss
No.
Storms.
No.
Yes,
No.
we're married. Do you not know that?
Okay. Just are you guys both ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right.
I'm on probation.
All rise for the Honorable Judge Storms, both proceeding over this case.
Why is there two?
Because they can't make decision about being a single person. I think so. I don't know.
You both gonna say the line?
Hey, bro, can I sit down yet? Or
Honorable
Are we
Judge
saying
Jackson,
the
if you
anthem?
would, supposed to
Can
say
I
something
sit?
along the lines of "You may be seated."
You may be seated.
There
thank
we
you.
go.
Jeez.
Like waiting in a line at Six Flags.
Will the prosecution please stand and tell me what you've came on here for today? I can't hear you.
He hasn't said anything, Your Honor.
1 second.
Okay, we'll just
We're
be
getting
switching.
the paperwork out. Just hold up. You good there,
All right,
Leroy?
Your Honor. Or which one should I be talking to?
The one standing in the
The female.
Okay. All right, Her Honor. This female over here, she a couple weeks ago tried to break into my car and busted the window out of my car. And she does not want to pay me for the window.
Objection.
Shut up, woman. So, yeah.
Now, as his lawyer, I would like to point out that, she's been causing a lot of trouble with my client here. And, she's a very aggravated woman. I believe that she should pay for any of the damages. and maybe a little extra just for my client over here and all of his everything she put him through, you know what I mean?
Yeah, she's been
I
harassing me
believe
for
that
the past 3 years.
A bit louder.
I'm shouting.
I mean, she's been harassing me for the past 3 years about this kid that I have no awareness of,
Absolutely.
and she also tried to break into one of my houses a little bit
both the
ago.
judges, you just stand a little closer in front of your podium.
Okay.
Are having issues here.
Is that better?
Yeah, that's a lot better.
Okay, well, like I was saying, she's been harassing me about this 3-year-old kid that she has that is not mine, and she's telling me that she wants me to start paying child support even though it's not mine. And then she tried to break into my house a little bit ago, and she's just been harassing me overall. And then she busted out my car window because I don't know if she tried to break into it or if she was upset, but she doesn't want to pay me for it.
Your Honor, I would also like to point out that maybe a restraining order should be, placed in effect. This woman is a very a violent woman. Come after my client in many different ways, and is making all these accusations
He's
with my
lying.
client, not being able to have any evidence, and then coming over and destroying his property.
Okay. One sec.
We got this, bro.
Bailiff,
Yes, Your Honor.
can you come up here?
Can
You
we
have
sit
to
back
ask-
down?
you have-
Why is this hillbilly back?
I don't know. She need to pay me my money. I'm not over here trying to be here for a long time.
She'll compensate our time, don't worry.
Okay. Do you have any official records of the trespassing and breaking and entering?
I do.
May we
I
have
do
a moment?
Yeah, I can gather my evidence if you need me to.
Yeah, that would be.
Okay.
I got it in the briefcase.
All right, I'm gonna let you get in first. Go ahead. Get away from me, woman.
It's under there.
Fuck
Defense, could you please back to your podium? Thank you.
I'm not seeing a lawyer for
Alright.
defense. Did she refuse to have a lawyer?
She can't afford one.
Well, where's her court appointed?
Yeah, 'cause
Here's
you
the
won't pay your child
briefcase.
support.
I'm not paying child support. It's not my
You
kid.
need to.
Bailiff,
3
can
years.
you try to get us a court-appointed lawyer from outside somewhere in the
Let me ask her something. Will you be representing yourself today, ma'am, or do you require it?
Can I get a lawyer?
Hey, bailiff, you want to
I
bring
can
this up to the
represent
judge?
you both.
That's not how that works.
Yeah,
I'll
no,
grab
That's
this.
against the law.
I'm not interested in.
Here you go, Your Honor. Here's all the records that they gave. If you would like to just postpone this for a moment while we get an attorney for the defense, as she no longer wants to represent herself, apparently.
Coward.
This court is now a resource.
Gangbanger.
Until we find the
Shut your
defense a
face.
suitable lawyer and we can get on the papers.
I wouldn't do 20
Shut
minutes.
your sugar
Let's-
happy ass up.
Okay.
Cocaine
Puts food
dealer.
on the table. I don't care.
Just
Yeah,
hold
puts
off
dead
until
bodies on
we
the
can
street.
get-
Don't fight with her. It doesn't look good on you.
Okay, I'm gonna check the
Do
papers real quick.
you want me to be the? I can be the defense attorney if you
Listen to
want.
your baby daddy.
Either way.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm doing.
We need a bailiff though, unless you want to be the bailiff. You want to switch over?
Can you be the bailiff?
You can.
Man, take a seat. Don't be
Look at him breaking
I'm
tires,
gonna
dude.
get
I'm gonna slash
arrested.
him.
No, sir.
You
I'm
gonna slash
here
my
for you.
tires? I'll show you how
Yeah,
to
you
slash
fucking
tires.
Pillsbury
Ma'am,
grape.
I'll
ma'am.
slash more than your tires.
Watch
Shut
what
the
you
fuck up.
say.
You're like a deformed eggplant. Go sell some more drugs.
Sir,
You
sir,
literally
just take
look
a
like
seat.
a wildebeest.
Take
Who
a
are you
seat, sir.
talking to?
Take a seat, sir, or they're gonna
I will
postpone
Paint
this
your
court
hair green,
case.
you'll look like an
It's
eggplant.
Judge Woober's
Yeah, and
Kruger.
paint your hair the normal color. God dang
Whoa,
on
whoa,
wig
whoa,
wearing.
whoa,
This guy's a
whoa.
prick.
Sir, sir.
You're a prick.
You're the one over here trying
Leroy,
to get
sit
my
down.
kid to sell
Ma'am,
drugs.
back away.
It's Judge Woober's Kruger.
You obese oyster.
Your Honor, could I have a moment
You
alone with my
eggplant.
client outside?
You're
Hey,
eggplant.
You're
FKK,
an
you wanna
eggplant.
Come outside with me, please, ma'am.
move?
You deformed grape.
You're the definition of obesity. Get out of my face.
We have a recess.
You will be held in.
Your Honor. She started that whole situation.
Sorry.
Why do you have a knife out, sir?
Why do you have a knife?
Yeah, he's suing me for breaking his window.
All right, you know what? I'll stop. It's all good.
Just sit down, sir.
Attorney-client privilege. I can't.
Yeah, she's trying to fight us over here, Judge.
Okay. Did you do anything else?
No, he just punched me like 7 times.
Hey, Judge, she's trying to fight my client, and I'm trying to de-escalate the situation. It's not working too good.
It happened right outside the
And then I guess her lawyer took her outside the courtroom, which,
Okay.
yeah, I don't know.
Bailiff. I'd like access to the CCTV that's outside the courtroom. My client was punched outside. Could you please review that for me and let me know what you see? The prosecution is currently suing her. I'd like that on record as evidence. Thank you, I appreciate that, ma'am. If you'd like to come with me.
She hit me. Yeah, she hit me after she broke my window.
Jury, you didn't hear that.
There's no jury.
Perfect.
Sit tight for a minute while we get the all the entire evidence settled here.
Can I help you?
I'm a judge and an officer, but here's the CCTV.
Thank you.
Oh, okay.
What'd she say to you? Okay, that officer just poured gas everywhere. Sir, what are you
trying to
doing?
burn the building down? What are you
Swat
doing,
me
bro?
inside
I'm
the
cleaning the floor, sir. This is our cleaner.
No.
That's
no.
not.
That is not.
No,
That is gasoline.
What are
Just
you
stop.
doing in the courthouse?
Hey man, that's
I
gasoline. What
can
you trying
torch
to
this
do,
place.
man? That's gasoline.
He poured it
I
all
can
over
torch
the
this place in a
podium.
matter of seconds.
This is a good
cleaner.
way
Why is your
to
cleaner in a jerry can?
start.
Are you trying to sterilize the floor with fire?
It's cleaner.
Jeez.
Can someone shoot
I
it?
can't breathe.
Did he
in
hit
here.
you
Okay,
first, or
fine.
did
No,
you
no,
hit
no.
him
Don't
first?
shoot. Don't shoot. I'm gonna clear.
No, it's cleaner. You don't see? Look,
Look,
look, see? Look,
Oh, wow,
it
that's looking
disappeared.
very
I need
clean.
some of that for after.
It's
no, never
cleaner.
mind.
But don't
what?
shoot, please. Don't shoot. I don't wanna die.
Those fumes made me pass out.
So, do you always wear purple, or is that just a new thing?
I don't. I do wear different colors: green, yellow, red, pink. purple. So depends on my mood.
Interesting. Does the
Why did
bailiff
you
not
ask?
know how to walk anymore?
Rich, can you hear me down there?
I can hear you. What's poppin'?
Answer the magical box.
Hey, check the magical damn box. The box that's visible above your head.
We're viewing the CCTV.
Check the box.
Struck him first.
Read the box.
Man, it's bullshit.
But did you? The camera doesn't lie. You struck him first. This isn't looking very good.
Sorry. Fuck. Muscle spasm.
You know what I mean?
Bailiff actually hitting.
Yeah.
Good.
Muscle spasm.
Why?
I'll try my
Dang,
best.
you gotta have.
I'm gonna file
a
charges
muscle
against
spasm.
you.
I'm sorry.
A strong
I didn't
muscle
mean to hit
spasm
you.
to kick through the bench.
Hey, guess what? One benefit for you is you don't have to. You don't want someone to tell you how to actually take oath. You know how to do it yourself.
I didn't mean to hit you. I'm sorry. I'll give you
I
$100. Here's
say you hit
$100.
him back. That's what I say.
Nah, thanks. Keep it.
I think you should hit him back.
That's assault. If you ever need help in the court, honey, you could always give me a call.
Stop branding yourself.
I mean, all I know is he
I
slapped
gotta
me
do what I
again,
gotta
it's
do,
right there,
man.
But I guess there's no cameras in here, which is kind of dumb.
May I get your card?
Yeah, 1 second.
Just to wait for the defense or for the judge.
Thank you.
Anytime.
Am I the only person with tattoos in here? I feel
What's
Whatever where the
taking
judge is
so
at, come
long?
off.
singled out.
I don't trust that bailiff. He just poured a gasoline here.
I mean, the judge is right there. I don't know what she's doing.
Your Honor, are we gonna get on with this?
Y'all told us to come back, but the judge ain't here. What's going on?
We could have had a recess.
All rise.
I want to get up.
All rise to the honorable Judge.
Get
Mrs.
up,
Smith.
redhead. Thank you.
What? He just said it.
You always rude to women. It's just
No,
today's
not
special.
always. No, well, I'm suing a girl, so I kind of have to match the energy.
Can you
No, no,
shut
no.
up? Kind of listen.
I'm
man.
looking out
Come
for your
Shut
best
up.
interests.
Maybe seated. Shut the hell up.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I get the prosecution to my table here?
Let's go, Leroy.
What's going on?
We gotta go up there.
Oh, okay. Why are we coming up here?
Come here. Okay. Okay, I checked the paper that you guys, the official documents that you guys sent me. It shows someone did break the window and stuff, but it doesn't show any relations to who did it, why
Well, I mean,
did
she
they do
broke
it,
it with her
any
elbow,
fingerprints.
so
But there was, do they have proof that they have CCTV, fingerprints, DNA, anything on scene? They didn't.
I mean,
because
if
I checked the paper.
it happened outside of the courtroom, so like you could check the court cameras or something. I never got the court cameras.
Wait.
They wouldn't give them
Didn't
to
you
me.
say it happened in your house? She broke into your
No,
house?
no. She tried to break into my house.
Okay.
I don't have
let's
cameras
stay
at
on-
my house.
Okay, let's stay on topic. You're here for the trespassing charge, right?
I'm here for that. I'm here for the restraining order because she tried to break into my house and the window that she broke
Okay.
to my car.
She broke your car's window.
Yeah, she smashed my car window.
Okay, I'll check on the CCTV for that. Anyway, the restraining order. You said she was harassing you for 3 years.
Yeah, she's been harassing me for the past 3 years about this
Do
kid
you
that she
have
has.
Do you have evidence that she actually harassed you?
I mean, I
Emails,
have
messages
text
from her.
messages.
Yeah, you showed me
Okay.
those text messages.
Okay. Do you have? Well, have you ever do the DNA test to check if the kid's is yours?
Oh,
or
I haven't
not?
had no DNA test, but I know it's not mine
How are you sure?
because the timeline doesn't add up.
I can't go solely on timeline.
But it doesn't add
I'd
up.
also like to bring up, ma'am, that when they were in a relationship together, she has cheated multiple times.
Yeah.
Cough your own whisper. Cough, cough.
She's cheated on me multiple times while we're in a relationship. She's a little never mind, I'm not gonna say that. But that's what she is.
She's like one of those lady of the nights.
Yeah,
so
she's a hooker.
Okay, so this court is here for the trespassing. I'm not going to be discussing any other charges, but not the trespassing, the restraining
window?
order. The restraining order. This is the
What
only
about
thing
the
I'm gonna
window?
be
Because she owes me
discussing here.
30 G's for the window.
I can't do anything about that.
What do you mean?
You can file a lawsuit. Then I can do anything.
That's what
do
I'm.
something
That's
about it.
part of the reason why I'm here.
No, you just said you filed it for the restraining order.
Yeah, the restraining order and the window that she broke.
So you wanna get her charged with?
Yes, sir. That's a part of the restraining order. The reason
Yeah.
why we're doing the restraining order is because she's very violent toward my client, very aggressive,
Okay,
accusing him of
bailiff.
things he's never done.
Bailiff, can you go to the front desk and check the CCTV cameras if she actually did break his car windows? And prosecutor, can you do the magical box where you can put it on normal voice chat so I can actually hear you?
Oh, sorry.
I can't.
Or put it on shouting.
Okay.
Yeah.
How's it?
Okay,
Press
now
U.
now it's better, I guess.
Okay. Like I said, she's been very aggressive towards my client. Um, she caused damages to his property, and we'd like to do this restraining order because of that.
Okay, I understand all that. Would you?
It is going crazy outside. You hear that?
It's the purge. The forever purge.
I think you watch too much TV, man.
I mean, I got tickets. You want to come with me?
Really? When?
Friday.
Oh, bet.
Okay, would you be able to testify to all of the things that happens under oath?
Yeah.
We would.
Okay. That's good. So okay, take a seat. The bailiff is gonna come and swear you in, so you can testify.
Take a seat here.
No, take a seat over there. I'll tell you when you should come up. Can the defense's lawyer come up? 1 second. Can the defense lawyer come up here?
Evening, Your Honor.
Okay, so
Yes. What would you like, Your Honor? You kind of started talking and then you just stopped.
Oh.
Yeah, I can hear you just fine, Judge.
Okay. Mr. Rich over there gonna testify that she broke his window and she harassed him multiple times. After his lawyer is done with questioning him, I'll give you the seat to cross-examine him if you want.
Well, I would like to just make a further remark, Your Honor, but we'll save that for later when we announce our cases. I guess.
We need more gun
What did you say?
control.
There was static
I said,
noises.
I'll return back to my seat and we'll just announce our case from there.
Okay.
All right.
Just hold on with us. We have some technical issues. Technical issues isn't a matter of people shooting.
So when can we proceed this again?
As soon as my bailiff come back.
May we have
You
a
need to hurry up.
recess?
What did you say?
May we have a recess?
Yeah, we'll have a 10-minute recess.
Okay. All right, be back here in like a minute. Or like 5. I need a cigarette.
We done. Just so you know. There's 2 more, by the way.
John, are you gonna beat me up again for drinking water?
No, I'm not gonna beat you up. What?
I don't know. You beat me up before.
I didn't mean to hit you. I just shot at a man outside for shooting at the.
I would like to talk to you in my chambers.
I just took
You think I'm
water,
crazy?
okay? If you want it, you can take it. Just don't
Yeah,
beat
you
me
can
up.
have some water. Drink your water. Go back
Chambers of
up. Come on.
Secrets?
Yeah.
Are we?
Stop abusing this lady for her water.
We can go tear them all down.
Man, I gotta go clean the suit though, man. I'll be back real quick, man. I gotta go to the washroom, bro.
Okay, so one night he got
They
really
have water?
drunk, and not gonna lie, I was on the side of the street, and he picked me up.
Look on the right corner there. Can you not see it?
9 months later, I have a baby. So
It's right by the painting.
really,
Yeah, there's water.
convincing.
You
Oh,
can also
I
drink.
see it. Okay, cool. They got alcohol.
Oh, now
Hey,
he's
bailiff, y'all
beating
got
you.
alcohol here?
No, we don't got alcohol. You want got water? I got Coke. I got Coke. You want Coke?
Cocaine? I'll take some of that.
No, not cocaine. Coca-Cola.
Oh, can I put a little bit of whiskey in it?
No.
No.
I mean, I got some in the car. I can
Who
just
the
go
fuck
get
are
it.
you? Who the fuck are you?
Me?
You.
Can
Do you
can
not
I?
see the badge?
I don't care what badge you are. You're not a bailiff, nor you can't have an officer cannot have a weapon within inside the courthouse
Are you bailiff?
unless you are
I
a
don't think
bailiff.
so.
I am a bailiff.
So you're
I am a
telling
bailiff.
me that
I'm
I
pretty
can't have
sure-
alcohol in the courtroom?
No, you can't. And
Oh,
out of
okay.
roleplay, the gun's in the vehicle. I just can't remove it due to
Just take off your
gun
holster.
logics.
And yes, I am a bailiff.
Usually sheriffs run bailiff, but that's fine.
Depends.
We're in the city. Why the heck would a sheriff be out here?
It'd be
Actually,
county sheriff, but it depends on where you're at. It could be city courthouse or it could be county courthouse. There's a difference.
This is a Supreme Court house.
No,
It says it
this
right
is not.
there.
Well, you know, it only go so far.
Yeah.
They're out for the day. We just borrow their courthouse. You know what I'm saying?
Yep. You know. I'm gonna go somehow go around the corner and move it.
Can we move this along?
I don't know.
Why do you have a cigarette? I didn't know that was allowed here.
Oh shoot, I forgot. It was in
Yeah,
my
you might
mouth.
want to put that away. I mean, hold on. I have a joint in my pocket. Can I use that?
Oh man.
Do you
No,
think I
do
should
you
do
want to
that?
get out of this?
I'm getting out of it regardless. They have
We're
nothing
this
on
close to winning.
me. They have nothing on me. I'm
We
getting out
have good
regardless.
evidence, sir. We gotta keep fighting. Remember, this is gonna cost
They have nothing on me.
$60,000
I'm
for
getting
my
out
time.
regardless. 60,000.
60,000. We made
That's
a
not
deal
what
on
you
that.
told me.
Man, this floor is still
I told
dirty
you
as hell. You
60.
making like I'm
You told me 30.
Cleaning the floor.
Okay, I'll do 30.
15.
No, we
No, I don't need your
finalized
floor
at
cleaner.
30.
I got my floor cleaner.
No, 15.
This is
So
taking
you
way
mind
too
going
much
back
time, sir.
behind
You're
the
paying
bar, please?
overtime.
$20
And it's a
and
holiday, so
some
you're paying holiday pay too.
$20 and some drugs from my stash.
No, I don't want those.
Then go over there.
You could repurpose them, sell them for more money.
Don't mention that stuff in the courtroom.
Oh,
We're trying to fight this hooker over here.
And I'm trying to fight this bailiff.
$20 and an hour with her. You'll be fine.
No, I'll pass. What's up with this guy in the gas? I'm gonna
Not
pass
gas.
out.
It's floor cleaner.
That is
Well, we're in
definitely
the
gas.
building. That's probably worse.
Hey, I have a question. Why are you putting floor cleaner on
Oh.
everything but the floor? This is a carpet.
It's all over the floor. What are you talking? Yeah, it's
This is a
carpet cleaner.
carpet. But you
Carpet
said it was
cleaner,
floor cleaner.
Same
You said
thing.
it's a
You don't
floor
pour.
cleaner.
Same
You
thing.
don't pour floor cleaner on a carpet.
Yes, you do.
No, you don't.
No, you
You
don't.
shampoo the
Still
carpet.
flammable and
Get a
it's
shampoo
probably
and
got a
It's
lot
not
of
shampoo the carpet.
flammable.
fumes.
It's not flammable.
Oh, so
Yeah,
if I
shoot.
light a match right now, will we be safe?
Yes.
Not
Try to
us.
shoot.
I'm gonna light a match.
Nope.
Can I talk to you in my chamber?
Ow.
Try
You
flare.
talking to me?
Yes,
Talking
we
to me?
can come.
Yeah, I need to talk to you post.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Ignore the wood cleaner that he used.
What chamber's that?
Wood cleaner. This is carpet.
I wish I had a suit like that.
You like the wood cleaner? It smells good.
Okay. So I talked to them,
I
and
don't
they
know
said
why
you
I
gave
can't
her a
use
key
my
to your
phone
house.
anymore.
I never
that
gave
true?
that woman a key to my house.
Go to your
Why the heck would
The
I do
fuck?
that?
She actually broke into his house.
Things and go to
We
Okay,
didn't
hold
want to
on,
mention
hold on,
that
hold on,
because
hold
we
on.
didn't want to bring that
point.
against
Hold
her.
on, hold on. Just stay
This
on
was
topic
when they
here.
were with each other.
Oh my god.
Okay, are you guys in this court? Are you looking to file criminal charges? Or
I
no?
mean,
Screw it. Yeah, why not? She tried to break into my house.
if that's the case, we can present that. If she's presented it to the court, then we can follow through with our statements.
I mean,
And
she
then
just
we can
said she
decide.
had a key to to go inside the house. I said she said he gave her a key. And he didn't say
No,
anything.
she stole my key.
She stole your key.
She
Then
stole
she
my
broke
key.
into
Do
the
you have
house.
proof? Do you have proof?
I mean,
Well, you
don't
showed me
get to any
that
proof of
video
people
on
stealing
your
keys.
phone
One-
of
one
everything all
person at a
smashed
time,
up in
please.
your house. Hey,
One person
Leroy.
at a time,
I was
please.
at the store. She was
Okay.
stalking me. I
Okay.
left my keys in the car for a certain amount of time because I was running into the store to grab something super quick. And I came back. She was in my car. We started arguing, and then she took the key and ran away.
Do you have proof?
No.
You
You
don't
showed
have
me
proof.
that video when you got home, and all your household items were all like
Yeah, that's
wrecked.
the
Hold
video
on,
after
hold on.
she had broken in.
Yeah,
I
that's
want
still
to know
evidence
if.
of a break-in.
Hold on. I want to know if you have proof or evidence or recording that show?
I don't have physical proof of her taking
Give me
my
a
key. It
second.
kind of happened in an instant,
Bailiff,
in a
You have
blur.
that video
if
on
you
your phone. Show
go
it to the
outside,
judge.
stay over there.
It kind of happened in a blur,
Hold
so I'm
on.
not sure.
Go back to my question. I'm saying when she broke into your car and took the key, do you have any proof? Did you call it to the cops? Did they take fingerprint? They process the scene? What happened? Did you just let her steal it and that's it?
No, what happened was I went and filed a police report about it, and then the next day, that night, well, the next day, it was like at 12 o'clock in the morning. She ran in the house and started breaking stuff, and I can't put my hands on her, so I made her leave, and that's where I have the video of all my stuff broken.
Yeah, but do you have video that shows her in the act?
I have the police report.
And yet, did they? But in the police report, it doesn't show that there are any fingerprints or any proof that she is the person that
How
did
am
the
I supposed
break-in.
to give you fingerprints if she used the key?
Well, that's exactly my point. I can't press. I can't. There is no sufficient evidence to do anything.
She stole my key.
Yeah, but there is no proof
I have
that
a
she's
whole
the one
police
who did
report
it.
about it. I wouldn't make the police
Yeah.
report if it's false.
Where is the? I know you have a police report, but in the police report, it doesn't state any evidence that points to her. That's the problem.
I witnessed her take my key.
You witnessed her. That's one thing, but there is no proof or evidence that corroborates that. There's nothing that proves your what you saw, your testimony.
And there's no proof that I gave her the key.
Yeah, that's exactly my point. So I'm disregarding that whole section of
I
the
never
trial.
asked you
I
to
can't do
regard
it.
it.
Anyway, so you're gonna be pressing criminal charges of
I'm still pressing
trespassing.
charges for
Wait.
trespassing and her
I'm
breaking my
listing the
window.
charges.
Let her
I want to
speak.
confirm.
Let her
I want to
speak.
confirm the charges. Give me a sec. Trespassing. You want to press charges for breaking and entering as well, I guess.
Well, the police told me that they couldn't get her for breaking and entering because she had
Okay, so we can't do that then. She broke her window. We have evidence of that.
I
So
like
destruction
to
of
do
property.
the assault because she hit me.
She hit you. Okay, so
Yeah.
3 charges. Okay, and there is the trespass. The fuck is happening?
I don't know.
There is what did you call it?
Today, Junior.
The fuck is called? Sorry, my brain is going fucky. The thing,
You
the
got trespassing, assault,
whatever that
and then destruction
for
of property.
Destruction of my property.
The paper for the she can't near you. What's
Restraining
the name of
order?
that? Restraining order.
Restraining order.
Here you go. And the restraining order. Okay, let's go back. I'll put you on the stand, and you're gonna testify to all of this.
I can just say it from my podium.
No, you need to be sworn in. Okay,
I've
go
already
up
been
to the
sworn
stand.
in.
Okay, go up over there. The fuck is happening here, bailiff? Would you like to deal with what's happening?
I don't know what's going on outside.
Call 911. Tell them we have multiple gunshots around the
I already
area.
did.
Tell them we need like 50 units here. Okay,
Can I
you
say
come?
something now?
Give me a second. Bailiff, can you swear him in? Again, I know you did it the first time, but he's not testifying, so I need you to swear him in.
I've already been sworn in. I thought we did this already.
No, it's different for the testifying part.
Please raise your right hand. I do.
I do.
Your name.
I have to say I do my name, right?
Yeah. Yes.
You sure it's not I my
That's
name
how it
do
usually
or
goes.
is this...
I do.
Oh, okay.
He gave you a piece of
I
paper.
do. Oh, he did. Oh, cool.
I
do Leroy Jenkins.
Do swear to tell the truth,
Do swear to tell the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Good.
Just so you know, if you lie or perjure yourself, you will be put to jail for 5 years minimum. Let's continue
not
this
that
court.
bad.
Yeah, you get food, water, and raped inside, but we don't talk about that. Take your seat.
Oh, I gotta sit.
I mean, up to you if you want to stand the whole time.
I'll stand. I'm good.
Okay, okay, we're just gonna have a few questions for you.
Mm-hmm.
Technically, the lawyer would ask them, but I guess for us,
Let the lawyer
Okay.
ask him then.
well, your lawyer already went to sit, and the other one doesn't want. Anyway, I'm exercising my right to.
Sorry. I'm here. What were you saying?
Okay, go ask the witness about everything we talked
Shouldn't
about
this be the
inside.
other way around?
It
All
would
right.
be, but the other.
I
don't know.
thought his lawyer would do it. Or no.
Well, the other lawyer's kind of cookie makey. Okay,
Okay.
take a seat.
Anyways,
I'm yeah. just
sir, if you would like to explain to the court, what we talked about.
Yeah. So
Basically, what you have against her, and what kind of charges or
yeah,
charges
perfect.
you'd like to bring to the table.
So that woman over there, that crazy woman,
Wait,
I want.
Please,
let
no
the record
pointing, sir.
indicate that that he is pointing to the defendant.
Yeah, that's what
Okay.
I'm doing.
Yeah, well, I just needed the record to type it.
Yeah, so
Okay, go ahead.
her over there, she broke in. Well, she didn't break into my house because she stole my key, but she stole my house key, went into my house and ransacked the place after she was talking about some "you owe me child support" and I'm taking everything you got, and I made her get out. And then we was over here in court the other day, and she couldn't get a paternity test, and she got dang on forced me to take one, even though I didn't want to. So I kind of did because I need the money at the time. But then at the end of that whole court session, she went outside, started raising a whole scene about how I wasn't anything, and she broke my car window and assaulted me.
The bailiff.
Hold on.
Where's the bailiff?
He dead on the floor. Does no one notice that? Is that just me?
Oh, interesting. Oh, he dead.
He's
Okay,
alive
that's
again.
better.
Don't worry. He's fine.
Disregard.
He's fine.
Yeah, let's go ahead and continue.
Sorry, I got too tired.
Testifying.
Oh yeah, like I said, she broke my car window, my $30,000 car window, and assaulted me. And I want a restraining order, and I want to press charges for destruction of property.
As well as assault.
Yeah, assault too. Yeah.
3 charges.
Is that all?
Yeah.
That is all.
Okay. Defending. Do you have any questions for the witness?
I do, in fact, Your Honor.
Go ahead. You have to stand.
Good evening, sir. Can I have your name for the record, please?
Leroy Jenkins.
Leroy Jenkins. Okay, Mr. Jenkins. So you understand that you have a child, you have a right or a responsibility.
I do
with the
not have a
paternity
child,
test.
sir.
With the paternity test that was done, it has been stated that the 3-year-old child that woman gave birth to is your son.
No,
You
because
understand that,
I
correct?
haven't gotten the results, and I am not believing anything you tell me until I physically see the results.
I have a paper copy sitting on the desk.
I don't
behind
want
me.
to
Would
see
you
that
like-
paper copy.
Well, I don't know what to tell you, but that paper copy tells you exactly what I'm telling you. You have a
Nope,
son
I
with her.
feel like no, I do not.
Your Honor, could I please present the paternity test to the
I don't
to
want to
the-
see the paternity test.
Well, I don't know what to tell you, but you have a
I'm
responsibility.
gonna
and you have-
wait. You can mail it to my house.
I will mail it to your house, whatever needs to be done. But you have to understand that you have a responsibility with that child, and you have denied any sort of help. You've just completely abandoned that child in terms of child support and all that. You've lacked payments. You've lacked any sort of help or responsibility. And my client hasn't harassed you. She simply has tried to get your attention to try to say, "Hey, I need help. You're in this as much as I am."
No,
and in terms of that
she ran into my house and ransacked place.
do you have evidence of that?
I have a video
Could
of
we
the
play
aftermath.
the aftermath? Do you have evidence that it was her?
Yeah, I saw her do it, and I made a police report.
You saw her do it and you made a police report, but do you have any actual evidence
Yeah.
that's not just that's not hearsay? That's not he said, she said?
I have my doorbell camera.
You have your doorbell camera. Could we see that?
I mean, yeah, if you want to.
Hold on.
Hand me your phone, I'll connect
When
it.
I asked you earlier, do you have any evidence? Why did you not tell me about this?
Because you said, do I have any physical evidence of her doing it? I have evidence of her entering my house.
Okay, but you were given a key to the. You gave a key to the
No,
residence.
she didn't know. I didn't give her a key. She stole my key.
Well, as I said before, this is just hearsay. It said that you gave her a key to the household, and that she
No,
was
I
allowed on the
didn't give
property.
her a key. She stole my key.
Well, unless you have any evidence of that, I don't know what to tell you. She was given a key, according to her own words, and she entered the property as she should.
And ransacked my
She
client's
ransacked
home.
my house.
There is a video of him walking into his home.
Hold on.
And everything has been ransacked.
Let me remind everyone here, the trespassing charge is not in question here. We are not here about the trespassing charge.
She still owes me 30 grand for my window that she busted.
Now, that's another good point that we should bring up. Do you have a repair order for the $30,000 window? Because I've never heard.
Yes, I do.
What vehicle do you drive, sir?
I drive a Mercedes-Benz MG Sport.
Okay. And what year is it?
Say 2020.
It's a 2020. And you understand that nowhere, absolutely no dealership anywhere would charge you $30,000 to repair a window.
Who said I went to the dealership to get it repaired?
Where did you go?
I have custom windows.
You have custom windows? What kind of custom windows are they?
They are made out of diamond.
They're made out of diamonds.
Yep, half diamond, half glass. Perfect ratio.
Perfect. So how do you see out of that?
The same way you see out of a window.
Okay, but you
I
can't
look out of it.
Okay, but you can't mix diamond and glass together like that to form a window that's
Yes, you can.
perfectly transparent. I've never seen that before.
You haven't been to the right people then. It's not my issue.
Sir, I have a
Okay.
feeling you're using the dark web to get your information.
Who quoted you for the $30,000 repair?
Please
I
quit
go to a
questioning my
guy
client.
that customizes my cars for
I
me.
have the right to question your client as far as
At
I need
this
to until
moment in time, we were gonna refuse questioning.
I mean,
It
is that
off topic
question even
from the,
relevant?
It
It's
is a
off
fact,
topic
Rev.
from the
How is that relevant?
the court case.
because a window that is worth $30,000 is quite questionable because a normal dealership for a normal window would be at
I didn't
most
get a
maybe
normal
$1,000.
window.
Okay, well, would you care to explain how you have a diamond encrusted window?
Okay.
That $30,000 claim that me and my client are bringing to the
what-
table is
the
is going
process-
to include. Just wait. That is going to include the damage done to the vehicle as well as the maintenance that had to be taken care of. Cleaning up the damages as well as the cost of the repairs and all the other trauma that she has caused my client.
I need you to
She
stand behind the
ransacked his home. That's something that can't be, that isn't proven, but it is true.
And then she
The
broke
fact
my
that she's
$30,000
assaulted him.
window.
Okay, and where is the signed official repair order for the repair?
The guy that I go to charged me $30,000 for a new window.
Okay, where is
You
the
have a
repair
receipt
order?
then.
There should be a repair
Yeah,
order.
I have a receipt.
We have a receipt.
Okay, we need a repair order, not a receipt. A repair order.
A receipt
There's
will
a
give
le-
you enough evidence to claim the cost of the
Legally, there is every shop that is operated
fix the
has
damages.
a legally binding, basically a contract with each shop. When you request a repair, They give you a repair order that states the job that will be done. You sign it. It's how it works. Where's the repair order? I want to see the full
I have a
documentation.
privately owned. I don't get my windows made the same place I get my car repaired from.
Okay. Well, if that's the current case, could we see the receipt for the window?
Yeah, go get the receipt.
Yeah, it's in the briefcase.
I'll guess something else could be entered into evidence. How many documents this is now? 25th?
Oh, I tripped.
Yeah, I believe the prosecution just tripped.
Next time, have your documents and everything presented before the trial starts and put in evidence. Just in
It was
case.
on the table. I'm at the witness stand. Evidence was on the table.
Doesn't matter.
And for the record, could I have the all the charges that's been filed against my client just listed out one more time so that for the record?
Pressing for assault, destruction of property, and a restraining order. Well, restraining order isn't a charge, but just what they're.
Do we have the evidence for the assault?
Bailiff, you said there was a CCTV video that shows her slapping him outside.
Whenever the bailiff
Bailiff.
would like to answer. Could I see that receipt, please?
Bailiff.
Handing it. Just wait.
Oh. Who's that person over there?
No idea, Your Honor.
Let me see that.
It's on the table, Your Honor.
Your Honor, could I have a minute alone with my client in the meeting room adjourned to next to the
Why y'all can't talk over there at the booth? What y'all trying to pull?
I'd like to have a moment alone with my client.
Why they can't talk over there?
You have
They
5
trying to pull
minutes.
something.
Thank you.
I feel like they're trying to pull something, Your Honor.
Called a recess.
You
It's
just
not a
got
recess. It's not a recess.
Who is this random dude over here?
I have no idea.
Hey, bailiff, you mind going taking care of that guy? Yep.
Bailiff.
I can go do it for you.
No. You're gonna be seated.
I'm standing.
Sit down.
Okay.
Bailiff. For fuck's sake. Anyone here has a phone that I can use?
Yes, Your Honor.
The judge doesn't have a phone? Excuse me?
I don't take my phone into court. It's too much interruption. Thank you.
There's no way. There's a window for $30,000. It's bullshit. You wouldn't be able to see it. You wouldn't be able to see through. From what? The black market?
So, Your Honor, how is the information about where I get my window from relevant to the case?
They wanna make I believe they wanna make sure that you actually have the right assessment for the price of the repairs.
Oh no, I know the price for the
price.
repair. It's
Yeah,
30
but
grand.
they wanna make
30 grand is generous. Cause there's a
no.
lot of diamonds that goes into that window.
Bailiff.
30 grand is the bare minimal.
Is the bailiff even
Lucky
here?
I'm not saying the actual price. I
Your
paid
Honor.
$1 million a
There's an
window.
officer down there.
Don't even get me started with the windshield.
Your Honor, I have no further questions for the witness. We'd like to enter a plea deal here. Could we escort the man that's dancing in the middle of the fucking courtroom?
Hold on. Oh. The next person to stand up without me telling him to stand up is gonna go to jail on the charges of condemned.
Bailiff, could you remove this idiot from the courtroom, please?
Bailiff is no longer in his head for some reason.
Okay. Anyways, as we said before, we'd like to...
If you come back in here, I'm going to insert a bullet
You're
into your
threatening me now?
rectum. Leave out.
Someone go ahead and place him under arrest for death threats.
There's no police officers here.
There's one in the back.
Apologies.
I don't know
Okay.
if that's a cop.
Okay, go ahead and continue what you were saying.
If we could just speak, if the prosecution would like to go back and speak to you.
Let's go to my chambers if you want
We'll
more
do
privacy.
that. Well, yeah, I guess we can
I
do
ain't
that.
accepting no plea deals. Y'all got me messed up.
No plea unless it's 100K.
Well, what y'all think? Plea deal or no plea deal? I don't think they can hear me.
I don't think so either.
Hey, you mind going and get that joint from my backpack under my chair?
No.
Why not?
Not the right time. Wait till we win. Smoke it in the parking lot.
Or I could just do that right here, you know.
No, it's not gonna work out for you.
Why won't it?
One sec, let me... I want to just check something real quick.
I'm getting my money regardless. Just go get my bag. Oh, bailiff.
There's a guy in here with a gun. Yeah, you gotta find him.
I'm gonna go grab some water from the desk.
Yeah, a guy came in here with a brown cowboy hat and white shirt and blue
staying
pants
here,
who threatened to
Gonna
kill
go
me.
get some water.
Probably arrest him.
Go check who's setting the damn metal detector. If anyone wants to go inside, I don't care who they are, should not be here. Okay, so you do admit that you did, you admit you're guilty to all the charges? Okay,
Yes,
so
Your
you
Honor.
guys are pleading guilty to all charges in the case to get a plea deal, right?
In exchange for the plea deal, yes, ma'am. We'll handle the restraining order. That'll be done. The $30,000 fine will be paid by the client. We just ask that the assault charge be downgraded just to community service or rehabilitation in that sort of regard.
Okay, that sounds doable. Yeah, sounds like a good deal. I don't mind that. I don't want her to stay in jail because of her kid.
And just have to deal with the prosecution.
Yeah, I'll talk to the prosecution. Can you get the prosecution in here?
Keep saying they're gonna win.
Let's go.
They keep saying they're gonna win the case no matter what. They want their 30,000, etc.
Get the prosecution down here right now.
Alliance scumbag with a $30,000 window.
I'm just trying to get my
Just
money
sit tight,
and get
okay?
up out of here. Y'all playing with me, bro. That's all I want. I want my money and I want to go.
Let's go, sir.
Fuck you and your fake window.
Hey.
Don't.
Can you
just
take that into consideration?
You gotta be so fucking stupid. Just be
For that-
quiet. You're just making your
Alright,
way for
everything.
yourself.
So they wanna do a plea deal.
Yeah.
What's their deal?
Respond guilty to the charges. The assault charges get lowered down to community service, no jail time. They will pay the 30,000, and you can have your restraining order. Sounds good with you?
No.
100,000.
So what we want, if basically, if they want to do a plea deal, we will do what you said, but not for that price. We're gonna bump it up to 65,000.
You can't. You're doing the price on basis of the damage it's done to the car. You
Well,
already
if you
sent
really
the
want me to
receipt.
say the real price
No,
for the
because
window,
we're
then I can say
suing
the
too
real price.
for the damages.
You can't say
It's
the
a
real
civil
price
court.
anymore. You gave a receipt
30
of
grand is just for the
30,000.
window replacement. If I add
Is
the
there
the
any
window
damage
for the
anywhere
price for
else in the vehicle?
Then why would we accept the
Anywhere
plea
else, no.
deal
But
and
if I
let
say I
her,
want to pay for
not
the
go to
whole
jail
One
for her
glass
person at a
plus
actions?
the
time.
replacement, if I say I'm paying for the whole glass and the replacement, it's going to be way more than 30 G's.
And why didn't you present that in the court?
Well, because I
earlier?
already had the glass. I just needed it replaced.
Alfredo right now, we're so good.
I just paid for the replacement.
Okay, so you want to amend the charges to, well, not amend the charge, amend the price. Is that what you're saying?
Take that in consideration.
What's the new price going to be?
70.
Keep in mind, if you do a ridiculous price, it's going to fall back on you. Go
How is
ahead.
that going to fall back on me?
We're settling at $65,000.
Is that the last number?
Her. That's the last number. That's her not going to jail, doing community service, because we would like her to go to jail. But if she wants to have that opportunity, we cannot. You said we can't have a restraining order.
You
So can I get the harassment?
She approved
for
on
the
the
child
restraining
support
order.
too,
That's
She's
what
going to
we
sign
want.
off on it.
So her charges can be dropped for $65,000. This is our plea deal that we're gonna arrange. $65,000 is what we want. All of her charges can be dropped. We want a restraining order against the both of them.
Okay.
So he can't see her. She can't see him.
Both.
Okay, okay.
No.
So you're you're entering a new plea deal of 65,000 on repair cost and amendments, and if they approve, all charges will be dropped immediately, and you will get a restraining order. Is that what you're saying?
That's what we want.
Okay, that's the final deal. I'm not gonna expect
That's
to
the final
accept
deal,
any
and
deal
that's
after this.
What
in
about
the
the
best
harassment?
interest of both of them.
Okay.
Well, she can't harass you no more. She'll go to jail. How's
Yeah,
that sound,
but
Leroy?
that's, like, what about the harassment?
And if you see
pacification
her,
about the
then you'll go
child?
to
Like,
jail.
where does that go?
That will go to Child Protective Services.
Okay.
Hey,
Fine by me. Let's go.
Go over there, and I'm gonna talk to them. Because the defense come to my chambers yet again.
Make my money.
I think they'll take it.
Plea deal, but
They don't have a choice.
That be?
You see, if they don't, then I'm chill either way.
Yeah, if they don't, then
I say that's a fair deal.
Well-
That's the only way you're looking at it, unless you're looking just to. It's either that or jail. So it's up to you. You can be let out for 65,000, or we can just send you to
nothing
jail.
will be put on your record. 65,000, only restraining order. That's it.
It's up to you. It's your decision.
Don't say anything won't be put down. It's going to be noted. Obviously,
What?
it will be noted. There's no charges on the record.
Yeah, there's not going to be charges, so nothing would be noted.
You got to make a decision.
Yeah, I guess we're gonna do the new one.
So okay. So
The
you're
new plea
agreeing
deal.
to the plea?
We're agreeing with the plea deal.
Okay. I'll come up over there shortly. You can go back to your seats.
Thank you.
I'm definitely creep, man.
Recess over. Recess will be here for another at least 6 minutes.
No, I need to get my money. I need to quit playing with my money.
I'm sorry. Somebody had to use the bathroom.
No, she need to hurry up. I need my money.
You chill the fuck out. That's what you can do.
I need my money.
Leroy, we got this in the bag. You need to just Sit down.
That window was expensive.
I understand. It'll be compensated for, regardless.
Yeah, but if I get the 30 grand, I'm gonna have to pay you it instantly. So what's the point? What's the point?
Just sit down.
All rise. All rise for Honorable Judge Storms.
I
All
mean, we're
rise.
already rised.
All can be seated now. Okay, so after a long, hard discussion, reviewing the evidence and everything, me, the defense, and the prosecution have entered into a plea agreement. Uh, we, the defense, is gonna be paying a fine of 65,000 to the prosecution. All charges to be dropped immediately, and a restraining order will be placed upon both of them if they came and at the distance of 500 meters from each other. They will be put in jail for, well, violating the restraining order. This court is now adjourned. Ding, ding, ding. Magical bell. That was a long, stressful.
All right, that's pretty much it. All right, good luck to you, and that's all I really have for you.
Yeah, pay up,
Look at him
Blondie.
dancing. Can't believe it.
Yeah, pay up, Blondie.
Why ask me for 65 grand when you can make that selling dope on the streets?
I make that in 2 hours.
Yeah, G.
What?
What?
I didn't
All
hear
right,
that.
have a good night.
You heard what? I don't know what you're talking about.
I said I didn't hear that, boy.
Yeah, I know you didn't.
Yeah, boy. Oh, hi, ma'am. Your uniform
What
looks
the hell
nice.
is going on
It's
out
a nice
here?
dress you got there.
Oh!
What's going on?
Oh!
Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry.
I knew that bailiff wanna keep
I'm
harassing
gonna go get her.
people. I knew about
No,
that one.
no. I'm
You almost executed yourself right there, bailiff. You wanna go and check on them because they look like they're gonna kill each other. Sure. Ma'am, you're a bit bloody right there. You want some new clothes or something?
Yeah, I gotta wash off. Someone punched me.
Hey,
I'm
that
taking
will
you
be
home.
bailiff. Bailiff punched you, by the way.
Stealing me! Kidnapping
Not
me!
stealing you. Shut
Help
up.
me! He's kidnapping me!
What? Not
Call
kidnapping her.
911!
No, I'm not kidnapping her.
He's not kidnapping you. Hey.
I'll see y'all later.
No, wait. We have a job for you. Do you want to do a job?
What's the job?
Well, you remember that guy who got acquitted for sexual harassment?
Say less. I'm on it. Hey, where's he at right now?
Well, you said say less. How about
Where's
this? You
he
give me
at?
your phone number and we'll look for him. And if we find him, we'll let you know. And if you finish the job, then you just call one of us. How about that?
All right.
All right, so let me get your phone number. My phone number is 8. Her phone number is 35.
Yeah, you can catch me at 17.
Okay then.
Okay.
We will we'll look for him and let you know, and you let us know.
Are you
Yeah.
gonna do the job? Is that what you're saying?
Oh yeah, I got you. Simple, lightweight.
Okay.
Hey, I'll get the car, girl. Just wait here. I'll pick you up.
Okay. How much time does it take to get your car?
Jeez, girl. I'm the one who had to run all the way there to get the car. You just had to sit around and wait.
Okay, okay, fine.
Demotion.
I'm chilling, living life. Creep, Andy. Shut up.
Ooh, that cop hit our car.
Don't shoot me!
I thought about it. Hey, we got a couple hoochies, bro.
What'd I do?
Hey, we got a couple hoochies, bro.
Don't shoot me!
Hey, don't cry too much, okay? Last registration.
Okay. Okay.
And please do not put your snot on the ID, please.
I'll try.
I don't know why Volnage can't speak here. I'll do some sign language.
Hold up.
Hey, can you read that, dickhead?
Sorry. I don't know sign language.
What are you pulling us over for?
Pulling you over for tinted windows.
Tinted windows. Oh, I guess
Some
they are
shit
tinted,
up,
aren't
dude.
they?
Gotcha. You guys have any drugs, alcohol, weapons, knives?
No.
No. You guys haven't been drinking tonight?
No.
Then why are you so upset?
Because I've never been pulled over before.
Are you okay? Do you need a doctor?
I need a tissue. Do you have a tissue?
Nope. Alright, hang
It's
tight.
it's her first time.
Alright, ma'am. Here's the deal. You're getting a ticket today for your window tint. It's going to be a $75 ticket. Court date's going to be next Tuesday. Please sign your own dotted line. Not admission of
Oh.
guilt. It's just saying that you'll appear in court.
Okay. Can't I just get like a verbal warning?
Here's a verbal. Sign the ticket.
Okay.
Alright, yellow paper's your copy. Here you go. Any questions for me?
What time is it?
It's all on the back of the paper. What time is it currently?
Yes, officer.
11:30.
Thank you. Can I
Alright.
go now, or do I have to wait for
Pull out
you?
safely. Have a good day.
Ah! My car!
Just get a little taffy.
Shouldn't we file a case against that cop?
I don't know. That lawyer wasn't very good, and neither was the judge. Alright, I gotta get rid of this window tint ASAP.
Okay.
Oh, I hope that no. There we go.
I hope they didn't
Hi, can you
charge
remove the
me.
tinted windows? Yeah, please give us discount because we just got a big ticket.